We're going to start out with a standard arm pull down test. So I'll have my patient extend their arm out in front of them, flex their shoulder. I'm going to ask you to keep that strong for me. Don't let me push down. Good. Okay, now we're going to test C1. So I'm going to have my patient flex their chin to their chest. We're going to perform the maneuver. And I'm going to do C2 myotome now. We're going to do head to chin up, head extended. Okay, C3, we're going to have the patient laterally flex their head towards me this way, and we are checking the left C3 myotome here. And then we're going to have the patient laterally flex the other way, and that's going to be the right C3 myotome. And if any of these go weak, it just shows that that muscle's inhibited, and we would treat that particular muscle. C4, I'm going to have the patient rotate their head to the right. This is going to test the left SCM and left C4 myotome. And then rotate their head to the left. And that's testing the right SCM, right C4 myotome. Now for C5, I'll have you bring your arm back this way. Straight ahead looking for me. You can test the C5 myotome. Hold that strong for me. And then the C6 myotome, you can bring your arm down to your side and palm up. You can test the bicep for the C6 myotome. Keep this strong for me. Okay. C7 myotome, patient stays in the same position. This time we're going to test the triceps. I'm going to go under the arm and then hold strong for me. Good. And then C8, we're going to have the patient grasp our fingers with their finger flexors, and I'm going to ask the patient to keep that strong as I try to pull apart. All right, and then T1 myotome is going to be finger adductors. So I'm going to have the patient put their fingers out in front of them, fingers spread, and I'm going to pinch to see if I can close the fingers. And they're going to try to keep the fingers extended, or excuse me, spread out. And those are the myotome tests. We're going to program the Arconia. We're going to use the key, turn that to the right, make sure it's on. We're then going to enter 9 into A1, 16 into A2, 42 into B1, 53 into B2. We're going to double check. A1, A2, B1, B2. Now going to do the muscle test for the deltoid, the myotome C5. So I'm going to have you abduct your arm, please. Hold that tight for me. And that goes weak. So now we're going to take the neurological head and the programmable head. We're going to stack them. And we're going to shower the area here for 30 to 180 seconds on that C5 nerve root. We're then going to pause this, retest. Abduct your arm, please. Bring that down, and that is still weak. So we are now going to keep the neurological head over C5, and then shower the biceps, or excuse me, the deltoid for 30 to 180 seconds. Pause that. Test one more time. And the muscle strong. All right, we're going to program the microlight. I'm going to first turn the console on. I'm then going to bring it up to 6 cycles, which is going to be 198 seconds. The machine is set. All right, we're going to test C5 nerve root here. So if you could abduct your arm out to the side for me, hold that nice and strong. And that goes weak. So now I'm going to make sure I turn the probes on. Probe is on. I'm going to put neurological head over the C5 root, and I'm going to shower this area, this general area, with the other probe head for 30 to 180 seconds. I'm going to test again here. Test again. Still goes weak. Turn the probe back on. I'm now going to use this neurological head on the C5 nerve root and then shower the deltoid for 30 to 180 seconds. Alright, so now we're going to test the spinal time, and the muscle goes strong.